What's good, y'all? I'm whispering, but what's good, y'all? What's good, y'all? It's your girl Samaya. Welcome back. How you doing? In this video, I will be coloring a wig, doing the watercolor method, and I am whispering because it kind of echoes in here, and I'm still not into my apartment yet. So, yeah. But I will be coloring a wig in this video with the watercolor method. Real quick interruption. Do not come for me in the way I'm looking in this video, y'all. Like, I legit did not care. I had just took my wig off, undid my braids. I was gonna wash my hair, and this was all the last minute idea. Don't act like y'all don't be looking crazy sometimes. Everybody had a crazy days. Don't do me. Don't do me. I'm gonna be coloring a periwinkle. This is the same 613 wig from Sparkle Diva. Here's my bucket. I got some hot water over there. Oh, but first I'm gonna spray my lace with the got to be glued so it won't stain. That's what they say it's supposed to do. I don't know. We'll see. Let that dry. But while that's drying, I'm gonna make my water. I don't know the exact measurements or nothing, because I know it kind of got to be specific in a way, but look, this is what I got to begin with. I got this.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows.
Y'all, I was over here trying to figure out why do it look so matted. Like, I genuinely was confused. But I definitely feel like it was because I use such hot water. I definitely don't recommend using water that hot. So I feel like that was my fault. But I don't know. The world will never know.
She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on, really in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Gotta hunger sheep, don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies?
Y'all, I really was struggling trying to comb this wig out. It probably was because of the comb that I had. I know I needed like a real brush, but all my stuff was not there. Like, all my stuff was just scattered all around. My best bet was just going and grabbing something quick, and that was all that was there at the moment. So yeah, don't do too much about the comb, okay? So something I did right here, I just put water into the color to try to get all the color out. You can do this, you don't have to do this, but that's just something I did to try to get as much color as I could.
Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. You leave it alone, but you're still getting
Okay, guys, so this is how it's looking. It looks different on the camera than what it's looking like now, but it had a lot. This wig had a lot of shedding. Like, it had a lot of shedding. Literally, all of this came out. Yeah, so yeah, this is from Sparkle Diva. This is this Sparkle Diva wig. I just want y'all to see how it's still shedding. Like, I'm literally pulling the hair from the bottom. Well, I just finished. That's my nephew Aiden, y'all. Make sure y'all say hey back in the comments. Y'all say hey, Aiden. Do y'all see how this is shedding though? Like, literally, I'm pulling strand by strand. So yeah, it actually does look like how it's supposed to look, but it's not catching it on camera. That was all the shedding. It did have a whole lot of shedding, but we gonna see if it thinned it out too much or not, because I did want to straighten this hair. So okay, y'all, so this was actually supposed to be a whole separate video. This is me. I was straightening my hair. I don't know what happened. Like, I never finished it, or I don't know. This video is like 2 years old, like a year and a half. So I could have accidentally deleted it. Who knows? But at least this way you guys still get to see how the wig looks once it's fully dried and how that periwinkle looks. I actually ended up really, really liking this wig. I actually wore it a lot after I dyed it. But yeah, I ended up really, really liking it. But it did shed a lot, like a whole lot. This wig shed a whole lot. And I don't know if it's because I used such hot water, but baby, I wouldn't recommend using hot water. But look at my little munchkin, my little nephew, my sweet baby Aiden. He was so little right here. He's not even that small no more. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my sweet baby. But yeah, y'all, I wouldn't recommend using like boiling hot water like I did. Like, that water was boiling hot. So I would not recommend using boiling hot water. But yeah, just make sure it's hot enough, because that could definitely have played a factor in the fact that it was shedding so much, and the fact that it just didn't last as long as I feel like it should have. So I actually might buy some Sparkle Diva hair again just to try it out and see, because it could have been me. It definitely could have been me. I'm not going to put it on the company, but we going to see what it is whenever I get another Sparkle Diva wig, period. I also want to say I definitely could have plucked the wig. That's one thing I don't do is pluck wigs, because I get so scared. I do not want to mess it up, y'all. I get so scared I'm going to mess stuff up. I just rather not do it. But honestly, you never know until you try. Me not doing it, I already failed. But whatever, we're not going to get into that. I ain't going to start that. But yeah, it look cute. But that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, check out your girl, because why not? And I'll see you on another video. Bye.